Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the system so the booster can work reliably. Install or update your audio driver, because boosters need current drivers to access output streams. Once done, pick a trusted booster app and run its signed installer. Make sure to disable built-in enhancements in Windows or Mac OS to avoid double processing, and restart the system if prompted. This prevents distortion and permission conflicts, so the booster will receive a clean audio signal to amplify accurately. Now you configure and calibrate the booster for safe loudness. Grant the app audio permissions, choose your output device, and raise gain slowly. Small steps avoid clipping. Play familiar test material at medium system volume, watch meters, and listen for distortion. If you hear artifacts, lower gain and tweak EQ to tame problematic frequencies. Use presets to save a baseline and enable limiters or soft clip options in the booster to protect speakers while achieving louder, cleaner sound. Finish by creating profiles so you can switch settings quickly for music, movies, or calls. This keeps your laptop optimized without constant retuning. Test each profile at typical listening volumes and enable safety features like limiters. If you encounter distortion, stuttering, or high CPU use, reduce booster gain first, then check for driver updates or close background apps. Make sure the booster and system enhancements aren't both processing audio. One key tip: re-enable enhancements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.